Hello friends, welcome to Maths Nerd.
Today, we will learn about exponents and its laws.
When we represent a number in the exponential form, we write a base. Here the base is a, and we write a power. Here the power is m. There is one more name of power which is called index. The index is always written in as a superscript after the base. And let's see what a power raised to m means. When we write a and then a superscript m, then we mean that is when we say it as a power raised to m. And what does this mean? For example, let's say we have got 2 power raised to 3. So this means 2 into 2 into 2. Here the base is multiplied into itself into the number of times as the value of the power. If it would have been 2 power raised to 4, then we would write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now let's see some laws relating to exponents. So the first law is the product law. It states that suppose we have a base a and its power is m, and we want to multiply it with another number which has base a and power n, then we will get the answer as a power raised to m plus n. So the base will remain as a, and whatever will be the sum of m and n will be the power. Let's see why it's so. So for that we'll use an example. For example, it is 2 power raised to 3 into 2 power raised to 2. So it means it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This from here till here is the first number, and from here till here is the second number, and we will see that it is equal to 2 power raised to 5, since there are 5 2's. And if this would have been 4, then there would have been 2 more 2's, and this would have been 7. So this law is true in every situation. Let's see one more law. This law is called as the quotient law. It states that a power raised to m divided by a power raised to n equals a power raised to m minus n if m is greater than n, and a power raised to m divided by a power raised to n equals 1 upon a power raised to n minus m if m is less than n. Let's see why it's so. For that we'll take another example, or we'll take 2 examples. The first is, let's say 2 power raised to 3 divided by 2 power raised to 2. So here m is greater than n, so it is 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2. So these two will cancel, and we will be left with the difference of m and n as the power, and the base will remain same. And this would stay true in every situation where m is greater than n. And suppose if it was the reverse, 2 power raised to 2 divided by 2 power raised to 3. Here the n is greater than m, and we have 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. So we'll have 2 2's cancelled, and we'll be left with 1 upon 2, or 1 upon 2 power raised to 1. And 3 minus 2, that is n minus m, is also 1. So this law is also true. Let's see some more laws. So the third law is the power law. It states that if a power raised to m and this whole number is power raised to n, then it will be equal to a power raised to the product of m and n. Let's see why it is so. Let's say that we have 2 power raised to 3 and this whole is power raised to 3. Then we will have 2 power raised to 3 into 2 power raised to 3 into 2 power raised to 3 yes. And so you will observe that here, according to the product law which we have seen before, and that is the first law, we'll add these 3's. So it will be the 2 power raised to 3 plus 3 plus 3, or it will be 2 power raised to 3 into 3, that is m into n, so that is 2 power raised to 9. And this law will fit into any situation where we have a power raised to m whole power raised to n. Now let's see one more law, that is called as power 0. When we have a power 0, that is a power raised to 0, then it is equal to simply 1. Let's see why. For example, let's say we have 2 power raised to 2 divided by 2 power raised to 2. So here, according to the quotient law, we will have 2 power raised to 2 minus 2 or 2 power raised to 0. But using normal division, we will find that 2 power raised to 2 divided by 2 power raised to 2 will get both things cancel, which is 1. So 2 power raised to 0 is equal to 1, and since instead of 2 there can be any number, and yet the answer will be 1. Now let's see the fifth law. So the fifth law is negative exponent. This law states that if we have a power raised to negative m or minus m, then it is equal to 1 upon a power raised to m. Let's see why it's so. Suppose we have 2 power raised to minus 1, then it will be equal to 1 upon 2 power raised to 1. Why is it so? We have that 2 power raised to 0 equals 1, and 2 power raised to minus 1 is equal to 2 power raised to 0 divided by 2 power raised to 1. Since 0 minus 1 is minus 1, so this thing will be equal to 2 power raised to minus 1. But if we divide it using normal division, then we will have, since 2 power raised to 0 is 1, then 1 divided by 2 power raised to 1. So this thing is equal to 2 power raised to minus 1. So let's see the two laws that are remaining. For that, we have the one of them, that is law number 6, as a quotient with same power. And this law states that if a power raised to m divided by b power raised to m is the quotient, then we can simplify it as a divided by b whole power raised to m. Now let's see why this is so. Suppose we have 2 power raised to 3 divided by 3 power raised to 3. So here m is 3, b is 3 and a is 2. So we will have 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. So we will have 2 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. So since the same number, that is 2 upon 3, is repeated, we can write it as 2 upon 3 whole cube. So it is same as 2 divided by 3 with m. So this law is true. Now let's see the seventh and last law. Product with same power. And this law states that if a power raised to m is multiplied by b power raised to m, then it is equal to a into b whole power raised to m. Let's see why it is so. Now let's take the from the previous questions, the numbers from previous questions. So it is 2 cube into 3 cube, let's say. So it will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we can write this as 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. And even if we change the order of multiplication, the product remains the same. So we can write this even as this. So we will get 2 into 3 whole cube. So even this law is true.
Feel free to ask your doubts in the comments.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.